Hey guys, it's Wyatt at That Cabinet Company. Thanks for joining us again today for another video. This one will be really quick, probably the same amount of time as the Lazy Susan hinge adjustment video. But today's video will be focused on the Lazy Susan, the actual Lazy Susan, taking your ERB and converting it to an LS, the actual spinner installation. So inside your spinner installation box, you're going to have a block of wood. It'll look like this. You'll have a spinner, well, the wood turntable with the actual spinner portion already installed on the bottom of it, and you'll also have some screws. Now these are really simple. To me personally, I do not use the wood block. It's if you have a really thin shelf, the wood block can be beneficial. You can get a little bit more height out of it, or if you are limited on adjustments of where the shelf can sit, you can also use the wood block. But what you'll end up wanting to do is basically just aligning this hole here that goes through with the actual turntable bracket. So we'll align this one to about right there. So that way, now, when I look at that, I can see through, I can see the metal at the bottom with the slot. So what I'll do is I'll take my turntable, set my turntable inside, and set it down. Now, this is where it kind of comes down to the personal preference and why we don't install the Lazy Susan turntables. Sometimes customers want them a little bit further back. Sometimes customers want them a little further forward. It just kind of depends on exactly where the customer wants theirs in the alignment. So let's say this is where we're looking to put our turntable. I'll stand up here. What you'll end up doing is you'll take your screw, place it on your drill. I'm not going to actually drill this one in just because, again, this is going to a customer. They're going to want to install their own turntables, or their contractor will at their preference. But you'll take your screw, you'll place it through the turntable and drill into the floor. Once you have that done, you'll press down firmly on the turntable and you'll turn the table until you find the next slot. So for us, it's going to be at 90 degrees exactly. For us, it's right here. You'll take the next screw, place it in, turn again. Next screw, place it in, turn again. Next screw, place it in. Now you have completed the turntable assembly on the lower unit. We're going to do the same exact idea on the shelf. You'll install the shelf, get it to the adjustable height that you want. So on our Lazy Susans, you have 4 adjustable heights. You'll get it to the height you want, place your tray on there, get it to the location, front, back, left, right, side to side that you want as well. Then we'll do the same exact thing. Now this is where it'll differ a little bit. If you already have your Lazy Susan built, you want to make sure you hold off on installing either the front to back or the side to side diagonal support bracket until that's done, because it can be difficult to get your full-size shelf into the Lazy Susan or the ERB before or after you've already installed this. It's pretty much impossible. So this will have to come out, especially if you have the front to backwards support, it will definitely need to come out. So just make sure you don't install this just yet. Get your turntables in, get those screwed down, and then once you have that, you'll be good to go. Other than that, I think you should be all set, and I hope we covered everything. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 248-308-6924, or visit us at thatcabinetcompany.com or info@thatcabinetcompany.com. Please reach out. We'll definitely make sure we get you taken care of. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.